Welcome students. In standard 9 maths 2 topic number 6 circle. Students, we had already started the topic number 6 circle. In that topic we had learned properties and proof of the circle. So first let's recall the properties. What is the first property we had seen? A perpendicular drawn from center to a chord of a circle bisect the chord. We had seen the first property. Then we had seen the converse of this property. What is the converse? A line segment joining center of a circle and midpoint of the chord is perpendicular to the chord. We had seen the first property and its converse. We had seen the second property. What is the second property? Congruent chords of a circle are at equidistance from the center of the circle. And converse of that statement is, if the chords are equidistant from the center of the circle, then these two chords are said to be congruent chords. We had seen the proof of these two statements, and also we had seen example on these two proofs and its converse. Now today we will see some more information, interesting information about the circle, your favorite subject, that is drawing the circle. Today we will see circumcircle of a triangle. What is mean by circumcircle? परिवर्तुळ. आपण circumcircle ला काय म्हणणार आहे? परिवर्तुळ काढणे. So how to draw circumcircle of a triangle? You know circumcircle of a triangle. You had already learned about the triangle properties. Perpendicular, bisector, angle bisector we had already seen. We know the all angle bisectors of a triangle are concurrent. All perpendicular bisector of triangle are concurrent. We had already seen. Now for drawing circumcircle means what? Of a triangle means here given triangle and we have to draw circumcircle means from these three vertex we have to draw circle. So how we draw this? We will see with the help of compass box how to draw this circumcircle. So for this drawing any circle, you know the center of the circle and radius of the circle. So here what is the center and what is the radius in terms of triangle? Triangle मध्ये आपल्याला circumcircle काढायचं आहे. मग त्याचा सेंटर कुठेतरी असला पाहिजे आणि रेडियस काहीतरी पाहिजे. So here we use perpendicular bisector of triangle. We know the property. All three perpendicular bisector of a triangle are concurrent. आपण बघा या triangle चे perpendicular bisector काढले. These are concurrent. We name this as C. These are the perpendicular bisector. We had already learned this in 8th standard. So here we use the perpendicular bisector, and where they meet we call it as circumcenter. याला काय म्हणायचं? त्याचा सेंटर म्हणायचं. And take radius of, suppose this is PQR. Take the radius CP or CQ or CR and draw the circle of a triangle. So for drawing circle of triangle, we need first to draw triangle, then second draw perpendicular bisector of any two sides, and third draw the circumcircle of that triangle. So here three steps are needed. First you draw triangle, second draw perpendicular bisector of any two sides, and third one draw circumcircle of a triangle. Okay students, for drawing circumference of a triangle we need to draw perpendicular bisector. So how to draw perpendicular bisector? First we see how to draw So here, how to draw perpendicular bisector of this line segment? We recall, we had already learned this. So we recall here how to draw perpendicular bisector. So see here, we take measure greater than, nearly greater than half. निम्म्यापेक्षा अंदाजे जास्त अंतर घ्यायचं आहे, approximately greater than half, and draw arc to both sides of this line segment. Draw arc on both sides of this line segment. Okay, first draw, then take the same measure and draw arc joining these 2 points. Okay, and then join these 2 points. We get this is perpendicular and this is bisector. You check it here, see it is perpendicular 90 degree, and check these 2 distances are same. These 2 distances are same here. So this is perpendicular and bisector of the line segment. We use this for drawing circumcircle of a triangle. Here there are, triangle means 3 sides. So we need perpendicular bisector of all these 3 sides. But it is necessary to draw perpendicular bisector of any 2 sides of a triangle. So remember this, how to draw perpendicular bisector. Let's see example. To draw the circumcircle of a triangle. Here given that construct triangle DEF such that DE is equal to 4.2 cm, angle D is equal to 60 degree, angle E is equal to 70 degree, and draw circumcircle of it. Okay students, what is given here? We have to draw first triangle DEF and then draw circumcircle of it. So here we draw first rough figure. What are the things given? Here side is given, right? Base DE 4.2 cm and here F. Angle D is given 60 degree and angle E is given 70 degree. So for drawing circumcircle of a triangle, I had told you first you draw triangle, then draw perpendicular bisector of any 2 sides, and then take C center and draw circumcircle. So first we try to write and draw triangle DEF. What is the basis given? DE 4.2. So first we draw base DE of 4.2 cm. This is DE of 4.2 cm. First draw DE, then draw angle D of 60 degree and angle E of 70 degree. Draw angle D with the help of protractor. Draw angle D of 60 degree. Start from 0. 60 degree. Join these 2 points, that is draw ray from point D. This angle is 60 degree. Then draw angle E of 70 degree. With the help of protractor, draw angle of 70 degree. Start from 0 up to 70. Make a point at 70 and draw ray from point E. This point is point F. Now, first step completed here. This angle is 70 degree. Here, first step is completed. First, we draw triangle DEF. Now, you draw perpendicular bisector of any 2 sides. 3 साइड आहेत, त्यामुळे कोणत्याही 2 साइडचा तुम्ही perpendicular बायसेक्टर ड्रॉ केलं तरी चालतं. आपण बेस साईड काढायचं सोपं पडते म्हणून, आणि ह्या दोन साईडपैकी एका साईडचा काढा. फर्स्ट ड्रॉ परपेंडिकुलर बायसेक्टर ऑफ सेगमेंट DE. टेक मेजर ग्रेटर दॅन हाफ, निम्म्यापेक्षा जास्त अंतर घ्यायचं आहे, and make arc on both sides of this DE. Take the same measure and draw arc. Okay, and then join these 2 points. This is perpendicular and bisector. Similarly, you draw perpendicular bisector of EF. Take measure greater than half and draw arc on both sides. From E also take the same measure. And join these 2 points. This is perpendicular bisector of EF. Okay. Now see what is the center here. These 2 points intersect point at one point. We call this point as C, circle. Now take this C as center and radius as CF. You take CF or C or CD and draw circle. See how to draw circle? In this way, you take radius and draw this circle, complete this circle. Okay, here take C as center and radius as up to a point F or E or D, and draw the circle. Circle म्हणजे की आत येणार, बाहेरून येणार. Okay, so here we make the 3 steps. First drawing triangle, then draw perpendicular bisector of these 2 sides we have drawn, and then they intersect at one point. We call it the center of that circle, and taking center and radius as CF or CD or CE, we draw the circle of that triangle. Okay, understand the steps? See the second example. Construct triangle PQR such that PQ is equal to QR is equal to 6 cm. Angle R is equal to 45 degree, and construct its circumcircle. Here we construct circumcircle. For this I had told you, first you draw rough figure. You draw rough figure. We have this time triangle is PQR. What are the given things? 2 sides are given here and 1 angle is given. So take angle at base. Here I take the angle as PQR. Name this triangle. Angle R is given 45 degree. And what are given? PQ and QR are given 6 cm. PQ is given 6 cm and QR is also given 6 cm. Okay. First draw rough figure. Rough diagram. Triangle PQR, points shown here. Angle R is 45, PQ and QR is 6 cm. So let's draw. First draw triangle PQR. First draw base QR. QR is 6 cm. QR is given here 6 cm. Now second draw angle R of 45 degree. With the help of protractor, draw angle R of 45 degree. Starting from this 0. Where is the 45? Make a point at 45 and draw ray from point R. This angle is of 45 degree. Okay. Now what remains? Point P. Point P is at a distance of 6 cm from point Q. So we take measure of 6 cm at compass. Here I had taken 6 cm. Take measure of 6 cm in compass and draw arc from point Q. Draw arc of 6 centimeter. So here draw this 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. This is point P. So here draw triangle PQR first. Okay. Now draw perpendicular bisector of any two sides. I draw perpendicular bisector of QR. Take measure greater than half of this line segment, nearly equal to greater than half. निम्म्यापेक्षा जास्त अंतर घ्यायचं. And we draw perpendicular bisector. Take arc on both sides of QR. Join these 2 points. Join these 2 points. Okay. This is perpendicular and bisector of segment QR. Now draw perpendicular bisector of PQ. Draw the perpendicular bisector of PQ. Same procedure. And join these 2 points. This is perpendicular bisector of PQ. Here observe this intersect at point this. We name this point as C. So here you observe that one angle is 45 and these two sides are congruent. Therefore opposite angles are congruent. Therefore it is also 45 and it becomes right angle. So we had learned in 8th standard. The perpendicular bisector of the right angle triangle are on the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse वर्तुळात एकत्र येतात. Okay. So take C as center and take CP, CQ or CR. These are the radius here. What is the center here? Point C is the center, and segment CP, segment CR and segment CQ are the radius. Here if you join this segment CQ, this is the radius. So take any distance here. See, all these distances are same. Okay. So draw circumcircle. Draw circumcircle. Using with center C and radius CP, CR or CQ take and draw the circumference of this circle. Okay, understand?
So students, today we had seen circumcircle and how to draw circumcircle of a triangle. Your today's homework is try to solve practice set 6.3 in your notebook.